Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by killing power and creating safe space. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes so capacitors discharge. Next, remove the engine cover and loosen the air intake. You need access. Once done, trace the serpentine belt and note the routing. Release the tensioner with a 3/8 breaker or 1/2 wrench and slip the belt off. Make sure to photograph the belt path. It saves time when you reinstall. Now the alternator is exposed and ready for electrical and mounting removal. You'll now detach electricals and mounts methodically. First, unplug the small connector and remove the protective boot to access the main power nut. Keep that nut safe. Support the alternator from below and remove the mounting bolts. One may be tight, so use steady leverage. Once free, lower the unit and compare the old and new alternators to confirm pulley and plug match. Then position the replacement, hand thread bolts, and snug them before fully torquing. Make sure each electrical connector seats fully. Poor contacts cause charging faults. You finish by restoring the belt and electrical system carefully. Reroute the serpentine belt according to your photo and slip it over the pulley while holding the tensioner retracted. Release tensioner slowly so the belt seats. Reconnect the battery negative terminal, start the engine, and measure voltage at the battery. You should see about 13.8 to 14.6 volts. If the alternator hums or the voltage is low, shut off and recheck the main power cable, ground connections, belt tension, and any fusible links. A loose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.